Want to learn trading or already a pro but can't risk your money? Enter prop trading, a smart way to monetize your trading skills without risking your own money. Start your journey with Hola Prime. Here's how it works. Buy a small fee trading challenge. Hit the profit target and keep losses under 3% daily and 6% overall. Pass the challenge and get a Hola Prime account. It still has fictitious funds and the risk rules stay the same. But now, no profit targets. And yes, up to 95% of the simulated profits are yours. Wondering, how's that even possible? Well, we selectively copy trades from top-performing traders in live markets. That's how we generate profits. Whether we copy yours or not, you still get your share. While most firms take days to pay, Hola Prime is the industry's first to do it in under 1 hour. Yes, every payout is processed in less than 60 minutes. It's a win-win. You bring the skill, you bring the trading setup and support, including one-on-one coaching. Take the trading challenge. Get rewarded.
Hola Prime. Trade with transparency.